Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this beautiful mathematical expression, that is 40 divided 8 bracket 4 plus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve it because they write 40 divided by 8, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then they do multiplication. 40 divided by 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 divided by 40 is 1, which is the incorrect approach, because when you have an expression where multiple operations are given, then you have to follow a order which is known as order of operation, and this is also known as PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D and M is division, multiplication, both have similar parity, and then addition and subtraction. So in this expression, we have given division, parenthesis and addition. So first we have to give priority to parenthesis. So write the rest terms. 40 divided by 8, 4 plus 1 is 5, then multiplication. So we said that division and multiplication have same priority, but solve it from left to right. So in left it's 40 divided by 8, that is 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. So what is the correct answer? 25, not 1. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. When you follow a right approach, you will always reach at right answer. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.